class, just to let you know before you go, we're gonna have a fire drill in the morning. Oh no, I don't want to have a fire drill. I'm sorry, nekolifi, but it's for our own safety. Alright, that's the school bell. Everybody, you can go home now. I'm scared of fire drill. I don't want to have the fire drill tomorrow. Wait, I know what I can do. Maybe I can just replace the fire alarm with the Angry Birds theme song. Ha 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 ha. Alright, class, in a few seconds we're gonna have the fire drill. I'm so excited. nekolifi, I don't know why you're saying you're excited when you just said that you didn't want to do it. What the heck? Why is the fire alarm playing the Angry Birds theme song? Let's just evacuate the building. Very strange of how can a fire drill do this. Anyhow, let's get back in the classroom. Alright, students, we're about to learn math. nekolifi, can you come with me in my office? nekolifi, I just caught you on camera trying to replace the fire alarm with the Angry Birds theme song. It's illegal to tamper with the fire alarms. Why would you replace the fire alarms with the Angry Birds theme song? Because fire alarms scare me and I don't want the fire alarms to make me go deaf. It doesn't matter, nekolifi. Fire alarms has to be loud so we can hear them. Go home, I'm calling your parents. nekolifi, how dare you tamper the fire alarm by replacing the fire alarm with the Angry Bird theme song? You know it's illegal to damage school property. That's it. You are grounded for 2,000 bajillion, 2,000 bajillion, 200 trillion years. Now go to your room now.